So this one is the 3D modeling part. So in this slide, I am going to discuss about the Revit. But before going to start this Revit part, first, that is our Revit architecture slide. So Revit architecture, before starting this slide, I just going to explain what is the difference between AutoCAD and Revit. Because in all over the area, we are the engineers, we have some doubts according to why we are using the Revit. Because we have the AutoCAD software, it's a very good software. But why we will go to the Revit part? Why we will use the Revit software? Okay, because the Revit and AutoCAD put the same thing. We will also do in plan, elevation section in Revit. We are also use AutoCAD to do the plan, elevation and section. So why we will choose the Revit architecture software? I differentiate the both the software. AutoCAD is totally a manually software. Manually software means we use the tool and we will do all the drawing one by one, and each and every drawing we will do that in AutoCAD software. But when we will go to the Revit software, we just only do the plan part. Plan part means just we will draw the plan area, or we will do only the plan drawing. Okay, the elevation section are automatically generated by the help of Revit software tools. Okay, why it will generate automatically? Because when we will do the plan, when we will go to the drawing your plan, we will put the 3-dimension value: x value, y axis value and z value. X, Y, Z meaning length value, width value and height value. We will specify 3-dimensional value, but we will do only the 2D drawing. So 2D drawing is automatically generate the 3D, because 2D drawing is generated to the 3D with the help of height value. So we had already give a height value. So that's why Revit automatically generate the elevation view, section view. So I'm going to explain about the Revit. First, I'm going to explain about the Revit and what are the procedure we are using for the drawing purposes. What are the tools we are using in Revit software. So first you can see here about Revit. What is Autodesk Revit? So Revit is also invented by Autodesk company on 1997. Okay, this is Revit software is invented for the reason of BIM. So BIM is stand for Building Information Modeling. So it is totally a building information modeling software for architecture, for engineers and for design. Designer is also engineers. So for the purpose of architect work, engineer work and designer work, we will use the Revit. It allows you to design building, all its component in 3D and finally annotate the model. So in Revit architecture, Revit software, we only do the building structure drawing part, not the other structure drawing part. We will not do the water tank. We only do the building part. So Revit we are used only for the BIM purposes, the building information modeling purpose. What is BIM? Later I will discuss about the BIM. So first, the latest release version of Revit is 2020, and Revit has 3 workbench. One is the architecture, second one is the structure, and third one is the MEP. The MEP is stand for mechanical, electrical, plumbing. So we have 3 workbench in Revit. So the workbench is architecture, structure, and MEP.